In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick iPhone tips. The first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is just make sure that the content that you want to turn into a PDF is saved as a photo or a screenshot. After doing that, go ahead and open up your Photos app and find whatever you want to turn into a PDF. In this case, we're going to go ahead and choose this picture right here. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually select this photo. You can do multiple photos as well. Just make sure when you select multiple that you tap this little share icon in the bottom left to go ahead and open up a page like this. Go ahead and choose on this section to save it to your files. From here, you can rename it if you would like. I'm just going to go ahead and save it basically. And then what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up that Files app and essentially find the image that you just saved. Here it is right here. Go ahead and essentially just select on it by first clicking the three dots in the top right corner, hitting select, and then hitting select right here. And then you're going to see these three dots appear in the bottom right. Go ahead and click on it here and hit create PDF. This is going to go ahead and create a secondary version of that file that is a PDF this time. That's going to be this one for me right here. But yeah, your PDF is now ready and saved in that same location. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.